Hi! So, here's the thing. Today, I, for one, look like a 70s grandma. Look at these pants. They're amazing. I've been spending a lot of time on the subreddit, which is like a sub-forum of the website Reddit that's called r/aw, like AWW. It's essentially just an aggregation of really cute photos of like pets and things. The point is, I was wondering, why are things so cute? Like, what makes something cute? So I did a little bit of research, and it turns out that the science of cute is actually a thing. Like, there are several studies that show that humans have decreased aggression and increased empathy when shown not only human babies, but also babies of other species. And this is probably because babies of many species share the same characteristics, which include enlarged eyes and rounded faces, a large head in comparison to their bodies, small limbs. So all of these traits together combine for a perfect storm of adorable that humans apparently find very endearing. So the question then is, what's the point? Like, why and how did this happen? Many evolutionary biologists think that this isn't unique to humans, that young of many species appear attractive to adults of their species if they have these certain baby-like traits. Now, mostly, this is only true in species whose young need caring for. So if one belongs to a species where the babies are just born and then let go, say like snakes or insects, then those animals as infants tend to look exactly like their adult counterparts, only smaller. So this provides some insight into the phenomenon of cuteness. Essentially, being cute makes people or adults of your species want to care for you. So it's useful if you are born as an immature infant to have these traits if you want an adult to feel parental towards you. Baby animals who are born relatively immature and unable to take care of themselves, their appearance is markedly different from that of their adult counterpart. These animals start out with a flatter snout, bigger eyes, and a larger cranium to body ratio than the adult version of that animal. So we've covered why cuteness is advantageous and why it exists, but what about those traits makes us care for that animal? That's a little hazier. It's probably because those traits signify to us that the animal is incapable of caring for or defending itself. A large cranium to body ratio means that it may not be as mobile or as dexterous, and at least for humans, we have a lot of cultural significance around big eyes, round faces. They sort of indicate to us innocence and purity in a way. Probably because they are traits possessed by babies, but the two have sort of become interlinked enough that they influence one another, if that makes sense. So not only do the physical characteristics influence us emotionally, but our societal and cultural projections of those traits also make us care for the young. So the founding principle of this cuteness phenomenon is that adults of a species need to inherently want to help the next generation survive. Essentially, one could say, and most evolutionary biologists do, every single behavior and every single instinct that we or non-human animals have is rooted in the idea that we want to make other versions of ourselves and keep them alive as long as possible. Some announcements over on the blog. There are lots of new posts that you should go check out, and a really cool survey where you can help contribute to the science of science communications. And it's gonna go into a study. You also have the chance to win prizes, so that's fun. Let me know in the comments what you find cute. Maybe post some cute things. I am also on Tumblr and Twitter, so tweet at me or follow me on Tumblr. And you guys are cute and awesome. So thanks very much, and I'll see you next time. Bye!